זו ילדותי השנייה, מה שתתני לי אקח. זו ילדותי השנייה, איתה.
זו ילדותי השנייה, אור השנים כבר נשכח. זו ילדותי השנייה, ליבי נפתח.
Rock mark, 6 down, go.
דרך אלייך אני רואה ומגרש שורה. דרך אלייך לגעת שוב בגלי הים. דרך שפתייך טעם חדש למילים, ואיתך שוב גם בלי לחשוש.
That's a turn.
אנחנו כבר בן 3.
Wait.
זו ילדותי השנייה, מה שתתני לי אקח. זו ילדותי השנייה, איתה. זו ילדותי השנייה, כל השנים כבר נשכח. זו ילדותי השנייה, ליבי נפתח. דרך שירייך בת, אני אלמד שוב להקשיב לבריאה. לפסיעותייך אצעד, בדרך אל התנאים שירה.
Keep going on the line.
בחיוכייך בת, ומתת עובר בגופי, ואיתך נוסף
Nice.
ואנו כבר בן 5.
זו ילדותי השנייה, מה שתתני לי אקח. זו ילדותי השנייה, איתה.
Turn and feet. Thank you very much, everybody. Yalduti Hashniya by Tamir, Scherzer and Levi. We start on the line with right foot. Right, left, right, Cherkessia with your left. Now we go in and turn out and sway and face to the left side of the circle, and your right foot is free to do naale, naale. Naale. Hold here and mind step and turn in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we start again one more time, but at the end there is a little change. So let's start from the top. Go. 1, 2, 3, Cherkessia with your. We go in, exactly the same and turn. Change direction with naale, naale. Naale. And here, instead of doing the mind, face to the center, we do open, cross, turn right and rock back. I need my right foot free at the end, facing to the center. Open, cross, turn right and rock back. Very good. That's the end of the first part. Now we are going to go in 6 counts in, 6 counts out. Mime and pivot, always turning to your left shoulder. Mime and pivot and finish facing to the center once again. Let's go in. Mime. Mime, pivot, mime out, and pivot. And you are again facing to the center with your right foot free. Let's do in and out. Again. 5, 6, 7. Mime, mime, pivot, mime out, pivot. And now the right foot is going to cross in from the left, and we count 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Behind. In front, open cross, and turn right in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And we are facing along the line for the next and last part. Cha-cha right and left. Cha-cha left and right, always going along the line. 5, 6, 7, go. Cha-cha, cha turn left. Scherzer, right. Open, cross, and rock back with the right leg. Now we're going to go in, nale, and nale out, and touch again. Go. Nale, touch and stay facing out, please. And your right foot is free. We're going to turn right, cross facing out, and then facing again. Look. Turn, cross, face in, and close. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7. Turn right, cross out, face in, and that's the end of the dance. ילדותי השניה by Tamir, Scherzer, and Levi.